Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a card game classic for you, Uno. It's super fun and we're here to teach you how to play in just a few minutes. So grab your deck of Uno and let's get started. Shuffle the cards and each player gets 7 cards. The game is for 2 to 10 players, ages 7 and over. Every player starts with 7 cards and they are dealt face down. The remaining cards are put in the middle of the table. This is the draw pile. Take the top card from this draw pile and place it face up, next to the draw pile. This is then the discard pile. The goal of the game is to get rid of all your cards. The first player that has no cards left wins the round, or the total game. I will tell you later on in this video how you can count the scores, if you play with multiple rounds. The first card from the discard pile determines the color. The player left from the dealer starts the game. The player whose turn it is must match the card on the discard pile. They can match it on color, on number, or on kind. Of course, it could be that you don't have a card to throw on. You must then take 2 cards from the draw pile. If you can discard the card directly, you may do so. This is a skip card that skips the next player. This is a reverse card. This changes the direction of play. So if you play clockwise, you go counterclockwise after this card. This is a draw card. The next player needs to draw 2 cards. There are also 2 wild cards in the game. With this wild card, you can change the color of the play. Is this the first card in the game that creates the discard pile? The player on the left of the dealer can determine the color. The other wild card is draw 4 cards. This wild card can only be played if you do not have the color on top of the discard pile in your hand. When cheating, you have to take 2 cards. If a player has only 1 card left in his hand, he calls Uno. If he forgets to call Uno and this is noticed by another player, 2 cards must be drawn. In the official rules, the points are counted and the game is played over multiple rounds. Simple rules is just playing 1 round. Official rules is counting points to 500. Special cards are worth 20 points. Wild cards are worth 50 points. And the winner of the round wins all the points left on the table. So in this variant, getting rid of all the high cards is important. Let's take a look at an example. Player 1 is the winner and player 2 has 2 cards left, 1 special card and a 9. This is 29 points. Player 3 has a wild card left and a 1, so this is 51 points. Player 4 has 14 points left. Combined, player 1 gets 94 points for this round and the rest gets 0. So these were the rules for Uno. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great tutorials and fun content. Don't forget to leave a comment, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the chat. Until next time, keep playing and have fun, and I will see you in the next video.